Hello, and welcome to the Robert R. Muntz Library tutorial series. Today, we are going to introduce you to the peer review process. So, you've been given a writing assignment, and you need peer-reviewed articles. What exactly does that mean? In this video, we will walk through the background information, the editorial review process, peer review and its forms, and the importance of peer review in journal publication. Let's begin. When scholars complete a research study, they need to report their findings, and the highest standard for doing so is often in a scholarly journal. Once the article is written, the author submits it to a journal. The first review is an editorial review, wherein the journal's editors determine if the article meets certain criteria for inclusion. This might include determining if the research fits in the journal's scope, if it was ethically conducted, and a number of other factors. Once the article has passed editorial review, it is sent out for peer review. The peer review process involves experts in a specific area of research reviewing the article for validity, the significance of the paper's findings in the research landscape, its adherence to the standards of research for that research field, among many other things. These expert reviewers let the editor know whether the article is acceptable, at which time the editor may ask for a revision or accept the paper as is. There may be a few cycles of submission, review, and revision before the article is finally accepted or rejected. Two types of peer review that are most common in academic publishing are single-blind, meaning the author of the paper does not know the identity of the reviewers, and double-blind, meaning that both the reviewer and the author are anonymous to each other. So, why is peer review important? Attempts to anonymize the process can help prevent bias in publishing. Increasingly, there is a push for open review with no anonymity in an attempt to increase the transparency of the publishing process. Peer-reviewed journals are the most reliable and expertly written papers on a given subject. To summarize, journal articles go through the process of editorial review to see if the work of the article matches the overall goal of the journal. Then a single-blind or a double-blind peer review is done of the article's content. This produces articles that are both reliable and expertly written. So, when that professor is asking you to find peer-reviewed articles, they are really asking you to find the most reliable and expertly written papers on a particular subject. If you need help finding articles, talk to your subject librarian. Thank you for watching this tutorial on peer review. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and other library content. You can find us at our website at uttyler.edu/library, as well as our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts at Muntz Library. Thank you for watching.